good, YouTube, bro? It's your boy YallLoveKae, and this is YallLoveKae Gems, man. This channel, I'll be dropping gems on how to succeed in entrepreneur or life in general, bro. So today, what's good, YouTube, bro? It's your boy YallLoveKae, bro, and I'm back at it again. What's good, YouTube, bro? It's your boy YallLoveKae, bro. We're on YallLoveKae Gems today, bro. This is where I'll be dropping gems to help all my supporters and subscribers, because I feel if I'm grinding and taking all this in from you guys should learn it too. So this is going to be a step-by-step of how I made 90K in 3 months. Yes, 3 months, bro. 90K in 3 months, bro. I literally transitioned my life. It's not a lot of money, bro, but money is not really anything. It's about up here. So 90K in 3 months, yes, I will be walking y'all step by step. You guys could just copy, bro. Literally just copy, bro. If the mountain is paved already, if somebody have steps engraved in the mountain already, you guys why would you want to just make a whole new? I know it's kind of cool. It's gonna be harder, but it'll just be easier to follow, bro. Copy, 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 bro. This is what I'm learning right now. Like copy, bro. Or it's okay to be organic, but it's gonna be a little harder, bro. Most of everything like is already being created, bro. AI is taking over, bro. Like trust me, bro. Copy, 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 bro. I'm gonna walk you step by step, bro. And eventually, when you copy, bro, you have your own brand, you have your own community, your own audience, bro. This is when you branch off and you make your own ideas, bro. Because now you have supporters behind you backing it, man. But first things first, man. I got my notes right here, ready for you guys, bro. Video points, bro. Ready for you guys, bro. I'm about to show you guys. First thing first, though. First thing first, step by step, bro. This is what I did, bro. Because let's think about it. First, before, what created all of this? Everything around us, bro. What created the phone, the light, chair, everything on the physical world? What created it? So first thing first, bro, we have to get this right, bro. If you guys want to start generating income, bro, you have to get this right, bro. There's no way I would have even thought of thinking I could make this much, bro, without getting this right, bro. So first thing first, what I would encourage you guys to do, I would encourage you guys to read books. Yes. This is just a couple examples, bro. I have a ton of books back in New York, bro. Right now I'm in Florida, but these are some of the books I travel with. I got books out there, books in my bag. But this is just because this video is about money, so we're gonna stick with money right here. So, bro, one of my favorite books I first started off with in high school was Rich Dad Poor Dad. This is one of the a good book. It will teach you the basics about money, what's the difference between assets and liabilities. It gives good story points of what the poor and the rich do differently, bro. It's an awesome book, bro. I'm still currently reading. I reread my books over and over, y'all. I literally reread my books over and over, bro. Cause sometimes, bro, for example, when you're reading, repetition is key, bro. How do you think you remember your name so good? All right, so for example, bro, when you're reading something, bro, your thought, while you're reading, bro, you think of other things. Your mind start wandering off and pondering off, bro. So the next time you read it, the chances of you pondering off or wandering off, like thinking or like just zoning out when you're reading, bro, it happens to all of us. The chances is very slim. That's why I reread my books. I have another book called Dave Ramsey, The Total Money Makeover, bro. This book is extremely well, bro. I got this book when I was working for my business, and one of my customers, they gave me one of this book. I had a very wealthy client. She owned like 3 businesses, black entrepreneur, man, showing out for us for sure, bro. She gave me this book, bro. It has notes in it and everything, bro. Like literally, she still has notes in it and everything, bro. Amazing book, bro. Amazing lady too. But that's just the first step right there, y'all. Books. Get to reading, y'all, bro. There's nothing else to do, bro. You scroll on TikTok all day watching everybody life improve, bro. You're helping them by watching them, bro. Stop watching. Stop consuming, bro. Literally, start reading books, bro. That's the first thing you should do, bro. Don't even think about money right now. Get your mind right. I'm telling you, the money will just start coming once your mind is on that frequency of the money, bro. Trust me, bro. Second step, man. I gotta get in my notebook, bro. I could be dropping gems all day. Build discipline, bro. This is key, bro. Eliminate excuses and build discipline, bro. So one of my ways of how I started building my discipline was I started doing things like washing the dishes, like all the small disciplines, making my bed, brushing my teeth every day, even though y'all know y'all should do that, bro. I hope y'all do that, bro. Literally, just all the small disciplines, make sure you do it, bro. And you do these things when you don't feel like doing them, bro. If your mind says, I don't feel like doing this, bro, think intelligently and think, I should do this. Think, bro. Use your brain, bro. Literally, bro. That's another step. Another way is the gym, bro. I'm extremely ripped, bro. Under this, bro, you could probably see the crease right here. I'm extremely ripped. I hit the gym every day, bro. No matter how I feel, bro. I could have a headache, stomach ache, bro. I'm going to the gym, bro. This is discipline, bro. No matter how I feel, bro. Cause if you're competing with somebody that is willing to go work out on that rainy day or to go make money on a rainy day, bro, they're gonna surpass you crazy, bro. It's life, bro. There's ups and downs, bro. So you gotta be able to push through it all. And over time, bro, it will compound, bro, and it will pay off, bro. Trust me. Trust and believe me, bro. I'm literally in Florida right now. My business is operating back in New York by itself. And this is a labor business, y'all. This is literally a labor business, y'all. So yes, bro. Build discipline, bro. Eliminate excuses, bro. No, I don't care. Bro, eliminate all excuses, bro. Cut all toxic friends off, bro. I don't care which, bro. Eliminate. I don't care what the excuse is, bro. Only if it's family, because this is more important. Family, things like that, bro. If it's not about anything like that sort, bro, cut off all the excuses, y'all. Stop. You guys are losing yourself, bro. Like, do you want to be a winner or do you want to be a loser, bro? You have to pick the side, bro. You literally have to pick the side. It's not you, bro. Gonna hurt, it's gonna suck. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm not gonna be one of these influencers that's gonna tell you it's easy, bro. It's gonna suck, bro. Every day, I have to keep fighting, keep rereading, keep working on my mind, keep working on my physical, keep pushing through, seeing new limits of what I could do, bro. Jog every day, bro. This is not a game, bro. This is the things you should start incorporating, and then once you get into the business world, it'll be totally easy, bro. Cause now you're like, I worked out when I can go to work. Like, bro, it's days I went to work, bro, back hurting. Like it goes away. Trust me, the rain doesn't last forever, bro. I don't know the law of the universe, bro, whatever the higher power, bro. It's amazing how the world works, bro. So, number one, start reading, get your mind right. Number two, start building discipline, y'all. We're gonna start. This is just steps by steps I took, y'all. Trust me. Next, though, start producing, y'all. Okay. Now that you have all this down, you're disciplined, you're reading, your mind is on right. Now, bro, on your phone, instead of consuming content, I need you guys to start producing. Instead of watching Kai Cenat, post Kai Cenat. You feel me? Instead of watching whoever you watch, bro. Instead of watching Mr. Beast, post Mr. Beast clips, bro. At least, if you're gonna watch a video, react to it, bro. I have a reaction channel from Thailand, bro. I react to Thailand music, bro. I got about 33K subscribers on there, bro. Bro, start producing instead of consuming. My bad, y'all. I be having to think. I be having to follow through, bro. But yeah, start producing instead of consuming. It is key. It will help your life out tremendously, bro. And another thing, bro. Instagram niche pages, bro. Start niche pages, bro. Like, instead of scrolling on Instagram, bro, looking at all this, buying products, bro, why won't you be the guy to create the product, bro? Now you got the product, and now you're getting the money for it. Come on, y'all, bro. It's easy, bro. Think about this, bro. Stop listening to music all day, bro. Be you, bro. Enjoy your life the way you want to enjoy your life. Be organic, bro. You don't realize when you're taking all this in, bro, you're literally becoming one of them. Literally, bro. That's their thoughts, bro. It's not yours, bro. That's another third step. That's third step right here. Let's go to 4. 4, what do we have, bro? 4, start a business. Now, bro, you guys are ready for businesses. You probably already got a business already from, like, following the other 3 steps. You probably already figured out business ideas, bro. You could even niche pages, influence. You could be affiliate marketing, bro. You could just, bro, start a business, bro. You want to be the person making them invoices. You want to be in control. I learned that, bro. You want to be moving on your own time, bro. If I wake up, I have a family emergency, make one call, push the job back, whatever. Like, that's the type of thing you need. You don't want to be a 9-to-5 clock and rat race all day, bro. You don't want that, bro. You literally think about, did this ever happen to you? You get your check, weekend go by, you're like, you gotta do it again. You're back at 0, you gotta do it again, bro. You don't want that, y'all. Start a business, bro. There's so many businesses out, bro. You can copy somebody, bro. For example, I have a moving company, bro. If you want to start a moving company, bro, let me know, bro. I will help you guys literally start a moving company, bro. Anybody that DMs me, bro, DM my here, what page? DM my main page, official Capilot, bro. DM me. I will help you start a moving company, bro. Literally, bro. I literally love helping people, bro. That's what life is all about, bro. I can't die with this knowledge, bro. So I'd rather give it out, bro. You know? That's the key part, bro. Starting a business, that's what made majority of my money, bro. Besides like all the side hustles and stuff, my business, bro, is key, bro. And then you want to keep what you do with your business money is you want to. That's when once you learn once you read the books first, though, you're gonna already know what to do with your money, bro. That's why I put the books ahead. Trust me, y'all. Your life will change, bro. Live under your means, bro. When you're making a lot of money, bro, you'll be at so much peace. So much peace, y'all. You don't gotta be like these other dudes, bro. You don't gotta cop Gucci, bro. You don't gotta cop Fendi, bro. You're making somebody else rich, bro. Some of the people that do all that, bro, that's because they feel like nothing inside. They do that they want to be somebody to the world. Those were the kids that got picked on in school, bro. They feel like they have a point to prove, bro. Don't be like that, bro. Literally, bro. I shop at the thrift store. I will go to the thrift store and literally get clothes, bro. 90,000 in my account. Next thing next, bro. I know this one off the top. I don't have to look at my notebook. It's one of my final ones, bro. Start side hustles, bro. Multiple income sources is one of the best ways to get rich, bro. Multiple income sources is one of the best ways to get rich, bro. MOI, look it up, bro. One of the top ways to get rich, bro. One of the fastest ways to get rich, bro. And don't think about fast, y'all. I don't want y'all to come here. I'm not going to say that word. One of the best ways to get rich. I'm not even going to say fast, bro, because this is not going to be fast. Y'all, trust me, bro. This is going to take some years of grind, but it'll be totally worth it then. You sitting on your ass for 10 years and nothing happened, nothing changed. You're still the same. It's crazy, bro. So that's what I need you guys to do. Start some side hustles, bro. I'll give you guys some examples, bro. I started trading. You can get funded accounts, less risk. But first, learn trading, bro. Start with demo accounts, bro. Another side hustle. Instagram niche pages, bro. When you start posting content for other content creators, bro, you can get paid off TikTok. Like when you can get paid off of all this, bro. Social media is the way now, bro. Digital real estate, bro. Literally, bro. Start doing this, bro. Step by step, bro. Niche pages. Anything. Fitness. Now when you're working out, you build discipline. Now you can start a fitness page. Promote fitness products. Now people are paying, fitness influencers are paying you to promote their product. It's that easy, y'all, bro. That's 5 steps, bro. 5 steps I want you guys to follow, bro. But you gotta do it every day, bro. Every day, bro. It will get easier. Trust me. It will get, you learn that from the gym. That something hard will get easier. This is why I got you guys following these steps, y'all. Follow these steps. Comment more videos you want me to do below. Any type of gyms you guys want, let me know below. How to trade, how to start a moving company. Not even moving, how to start any business, because moving company, I picked it because it's hard. It's hard. We don't want to do hard work. I picked it because it's hard. That's how you gotta operate your mind, bro. David Goggins and none of these dudes are crazy, bro. It's their own way, bro. You guys gotta listen, take it in, bro. This is amazing, bro. I wanted to start this channel for a while, bro, but I wanted to really develop my life first, and I didn't want to come on here flagging. You know, I could have came on here. Like some of these people just make content, bro. They didn't do nothing. They said everything I told you, literally, I do every day. You could look on any of my Instagrams, official Capilot, YallLoveKae, bro. Anything, bro. Y'all can look it up, bro. I literally do this every day, y'all. But anyways, you guys, it was great talking to you guys. Follow these steps, bro. Please don't be one of the dudes that just watch this video and just have it in your head and don't. Bro, action, bro. Even action is better than reading. Like, if you got, bro, like, action, you know how fast you learn from action? What was it? The rating was like you learn 50% like faster with action than like reading a book. It's like reading a book is like 10% of learning, like, you know, like learning like exactly like how to do something. Action is the best way. So I'll say action, you guys. Go action, bro. Read books, bro. Put your phone down, bro. Put that phone down, bro. I'd rather you, bro, instead of being on your phone, bro, go spend time with your family, bro. get richer in other ways, bro. There's other ways to get rich, bro. You could be rich in the spirit, bro. Rich physically, bro. You don't gotta even be rich like with money, with that monetary device, bro. You could really you can be rich, bro. Up here. That's where it starts, bro. Get rich in the brain, bro. YallLoveKae gyms, bro. We signing out, bro.